All right, so anyway, in Florida, these things are a must. This one's a Subaru, but mine's a Chevy Volt, but they still work. So I'm going to show you how you put them in. Okay, so anyway, what I'm going to do is open it up like this all the way so that this side here, the Subaru side, the silver side, is up. I'm just going to slide it in like that. I'm going to push this up. I'm going to pull my visor over it like that on both sides. And bam. Oh, this part here, I got to get it over. And that's it. That's how it works, just like that. So now that blocks the heat coming through that front window. And that keeps all of this from deteriorating. Smart to do. And as I said before, this is not a Subaru, but that's going to keep my car from being 1,000,000 degrees. You can see my windows are pretty blacked out. So that keeps the sun out too. Okay, so it's super hot. So we're going to find out how hot it is in my car. And I have this thing on here too. I think it's going to be really hot. Let's see. Welcome to Florida, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we'll do that. 100 degrees. Yep, it's hot. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your car.